Have you ever felt completely lost about what to include in your design portfolio? Believe me, I've been there and I've seen so many students struggled with this issue. And guess what? This is often the biggest reason they don't land their dream job. Today, I want to share a super simple strategy for putting together a killer portfolio that not only shows off your talent, but also speaks directly to the company you're targeting. Let's use Audi as an example. If you're aiming for an exterior design role at Audi, it makes sense to focus on Audi's lineup, right? They've got everything from A1 to the A8, plus SUVs like Q2, Q3, Q5, Q7, Q8, and sports cars like the TT and the R8. If that's what is Audi producing, that's exactly what you should be showcasing. It's all about speaking the company's language. Now, you don't need to go overboard and design every single model. Think strategically. Cover a few different segments. Maybe the compact A1, the entry-level A3 with both sedan and sportback versions, the mid-size A5, a mid-size SUV like the Q5, and then the top-of-the-line Q8. That's already 5 projects. If you're feeling ambitious, toss in the TT or R8 as advanced concept projects, just to show what you can do beyond the basics. What really makes a portfolio shine is how you approach these projects. Start by creating mood boards around each vehicle's target user. Who are they? What do they need? What's their lifestyle? Then look at Audi's DNA and heritage to build inspiration boards. Get creative with your sketches. Really push the boundaries, then narrow it down to your best ideas. Think about where the brand could go in 5 or 10 years. That way, you're not just designing random cars, you're creating a cohesive lineup that looks like the future of Audi. And that's a huge deal because it shows you're not just an artist, you're a strategic thinker. Now let's talk about common mistakes I see all the time. Mixing too many brands in one portfolio. If you're applying to Audi, stick to Audi. If it's Lamborghini, show the future of the Temerario, Revuelto, and Urus. For Porsche, design the next-gen 718, 911, Macan, Taycan, and maybe throw in a hypercar concept. When you tailor your projects to this specific brand, you demonstrate that you truly understand their design language and future direction. And don't forget, it's also a good idea to include some interior design projects. Showing you can tackle both exterior and interior concepts highlights your versatility, something employers really value in a design studio. And if you're pressed for time, start with 3 strong projects. And then if your interviews go well and you need more, add 2 or 3 more polished ones. Trust me, following this approach can seriously boost your chances of getting noticed and hired. Anyway, I hope this helps you feel more confident about what to include in your portfolio. Now, if you're serious about taking your portfolio to the next level and want my guidance, click on the card above to watch the video with detailed information about my 101 mentoring program. We'll talk about your goals, your design style, and how to make your portfolio truly stand out. And let me know in the comments which brand you'd love to work with next, or if you have any questions about the process. And if this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more tips like this. Good luck, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao!